What if I told you that the natural ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now can safely clean surfaces that most people think require expensive, specialized products or professional services? What if baking soda, vinegar, and lemon can clean everything from leather furniture to granite countertops to stainless steel appliances without any damage? I tested natural cleaning on 12 unconventional surfaces everyone said would be ruined, and the results shocked even me. Watch to the end, because this will save you hundreds on professional cleaning and specialized products. The fear of ruining what we own. You know that paralyzing fear when something valuable gets dirty and you're terrified to clean it yourself? Your leather couch has a stain. Your marble countertop has a water ring. Your stainless steel refrigerator is covered in fingerprints. Your wooden cutting board is discolored. You want to clean them, but every article you read warns, don't use the wrong product or you'll permanently damage the surface. So you either pay professionals hundreds of dollars or just live with the dirt because you're too scared to take action. Leather, the gentle solution. Let's start with leather, one of the most feared surfaces to clean. Everyone says you need special leather cleaner or you'll dry it out and crack it. Here's the truth. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Dip a soft cloth in this solution, wring it out until it's barely damp, and gently wipe the leather. The vinegar cleans without stripping natural oils. After cleaning, condition with a tiny amount of olive oil on a cloth. Rub it in. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Buff with a clean cloth. Granite and marble. The safe approach. Natural stone surfaces terrify people because they're porous and expensive. The truth? They're easy to clean naturally. Never use vinegar or lemon on marble. They're too acidic. But baking soda paste works perfectly. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply to stains. Cover with plastic wrap. Let sit overnight. Wipe clean in the morning. For daily cleaning, just warm water and a drop of dish soap in a spray bottle with a microfiber cloth. Stainless steel. The streak-free secret. Stainless steel appliances show every fingerprint and streak. The secret natural solution? White vinegar and olive oil. Spray vinegar, wipe clean following the grain. Then put a tiny amount of olive oil on a cloth and buff. This creates a protective layer that repels fingerprints and adds shine. My refrigerator used to show every touch. Now it stays streak-free and shiny for days. Wood. The restoration method. Wooden cutting boards and furniture seem impossible to clean naturally without damage. For cutting boards with stains, sprinkle coarse salt, scrub with half a lemon, let sit 5 minutes, rinse. For odor removal, use baking soda paste. For wooden furniture, mix olive oil and lemon juice, apply with cloth, buff to shine. These methods clean, condition, and protect simultaneously. My wooden cutting board went from stained and dingy to looking almost new using just salt and lemon, the pattern I discovered. After testing 12 different unconventional surfaces, I realized something profound. Natural ingredients work on almost everything if you understand the basic principles. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that cleans without scratching. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits and cuts grease. Lemon disinfects and brightens. Olive oil conditions and protects. These 4 ingredients, combined correctly for each surface type, can handle 90% of cleaning challenges naturally and safely. The key is matching the method to the surface. Acidic cleaners like vinegar for non-porous surfaces. Baking soda for gentle abrasion on almost anything. Oil for conditioning porous materials like leather and wood. Once you understand these principles, you're not following random hacks. You're applying chemistry intelligently. There you have it. Natural cleaning methods for unconventional surfaces. Leather, marble, granite, stainless steel, and wood. All using baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and olive oil. If this just gave you confidence to clean things you've been afraid to touch, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more natural cleaning wisdom. Share this with anyone intimidated by cleaning valuable surfaces. Comment what unconventional surface you're cleaning first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay confident, clean naturally, and protect what you own without fear or expensive products.